Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to find your AirPods with the help of Find My application. Let's get started. So as a first step, we will need to open the Find My, which is pre-installed on every iPhone. As a next step, choose your AirPods. Mine are this pink heart. And here we got two options, which is Play Sound and Find Nearby. So if we will use the Find Nearby, I will click on it. You'll be able to see the range where are your AirPods. So currently, as you can see, they're far. Now they are nearby, and now they're within reach. And yes, I got them right here. So this is how it works. You'll just need to walk around your room or around your house and find the near or within reach. And now let's move on to the next function, which is playing sound. By clicking on it, you'll hear this loud sound, which is made for the reason so you can hear the sound and go on it to find the case of your earbuds. But what to do if you have lost an earbud and not the whole case? Now, let me show you. So as you can see, I got my right earbud out of the case and the left one is still there. Now, if we will go back to the main menu on the tab devices and here click on our earbuds, you have choice. What would you like to find? Case and right earbud or the left bud? So I'll click on the left one and here we got the same options, which is Find Nearby and Play Sound. Let's listen to the sound. And also before that, you'll get the volume warning that you can't have your earbuds in your ears because the sound will be really loud and it can damage your ears. So let's click Play Sound. I can say that this one is that loud as the case, but it still can be helpful. And if no, you can still try the Find Nearby function, which I showed you before. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.